Hi guys, Namaste, welcome to AnkiNish Creation. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very simple and easy abstract painting. It is a peacock abstract painting using acrylic paint. So let's get started with this video. For making my painting, I'm using this 8 by 20 long vertical canvas. I have linked the closest canvas I could find online in the description box below, but you can do this painting in any size of canvas which you have at your place. Now I'm placing some plastic sheets beneath my canvas to protect the surface, and I'm using acrylic tube paints to form my abstract background. So I'm placing randomly different shades of paints all over the canvas, and then I'm going to swipe them up to form a beautiful abstract background. So for swiping, I thought of using a ruler like I am doing here, but uska effect didn't came as I expected. So later I just used palette knife, and then I made different patterns using palette knife, like dabbing the palette knife and then making some vertical stroke towards the end, till I am satisfied with how my abstract background looks like, and I'm going to go till I'm satisfied with the look. So enjoy with the background process. With big canvases, I usually get nervous about how to paint the background, and with this swiping abstract kind of effect, I really love working this kind of way. It really calms down my nervousness, and also I will enjoy the process of it. So now I'm just working my way with palette knife till I'm satisfied with the background. And once I'm happy with the background, to break the monotony of vertical strokes, I'm just adding little bit of slanting or horizontal strokes of yellow color, and this is how it looks, the background looks, and I'll let it dry, then we'll move on to the peacock design. Once my background has dried, I have drawn a simple peacock design with a pencil, but as it was not visible, I drew it with a black pen to show you all. And then I'll fill it in with this gold effect paint. It's a thick gold acrylic paint, so its opacity is very nice. After I'm done filling it with the gold paint, I'm going to dab it like this with the same paint to give it more of a texture kind of a effect. Once I'm done with the peacock's body, I'm going to paint its feather using this wooden stem by dabbing the same gold paint on top of it like this and stamping it all over the lower part of the canvas to form a huge volume of feathers. Press it firmly on canvas, but not too hard, otherwise it might get a bend on the canvas. So yeah, press it firmly till you get the shape, and if you don't get any of the design, you can cover it up with some brush paint like this. And yeah, I'll make the feathers using this stamp. I got this stamp from Itsy Bitsy long back, like 7 years back I guess. So I have mentioned some of the stems which look like this in the description box below. I have provided link of that, so you can check that out. And yeah, make beautiful feathers using stamp. Also clean your stamp in between after making few stems, otherwise the design will smudge and it will not look like a flower design, it will just be a messy design. So yeah, clean up in between and form various stems till you want your desired volume of feathers. Now for the peacock crown, first I used this gold paint marker, but later मैं उसको gold paint से ही cover कर दूँगी because the shade was not matching. And here also I tried using some metallic gold marker, but उतना अच्छे से effect नहीं आ रहा था. So first I am doing the legs and then peacock crown, और फिर थोड़ी बहुत इधर उधर की details, and then I made a tree branch using white acrylic paint. और जो नीचे feathers में भी I wanted to add a swirl effect, that also I have added later on with white acrylic paint. So yeah, I'm just filling in the tree with gold flowers and some white flowers, and then adding some details into the feather using white acrylic paint, and adding more details here and there till the end, till I'm satisfied with the painting. And yeah, then you will see the final result. Also painting the sides of the canvas with black acrylic paint, and then I'll be done with this painting. So I'm not an expert in making acrylic paintings, but I just love to explore different art forms. So this is how this painting looks. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked it. Do give it a try, and if you try it, share the pictures with me. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below your thoughts on it. And हो सकता है next video तक अगर 25,000 subscribers हो जाए तो मज़ा आ जाएगा. So share this video with your friends and family on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever you can. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.